This is the foundation of every bearish trend.
Of strong high. So let's start with explanation of the beginning of a range of a bearish range. Now, here is an example that we had for a bullish range. So we have here the liquidity beginning. So we have here a low, we call swing low and swing high, and then the liquidity is taken, creates a new low, which is the strong low, and then it breaks the structure or the closest high or the swing high with the body of the candle right here, and the price keep pushing up. This new low becomes called the strong low, which means this is the low which will be highly respected by the price because we are imagining that we're in a bullish trend. Now, for the beginning of a range in a bearish trend line is the same. Is the same theory applied, but backwards or downwards. Okay. So
Watch the full breakdown on my YouTube.
here.